Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by fixing the physical and software basics, because most restarts stem from bad connections or outdated apps. First, swap to a high-quality or original USB cable and try a different car USB port. This eliminates intermittent power or data issues. Next, reboot both devices to clear temporary glitches. Once done, open the Play Store and update Android Auto and Google Play services. Updated components reduce compatibility crashes and give you a stable baseline to proceed with the deeper. You now change settings that commonly trigger restarts by restricting background processes or denying permissions. Start by clearing cache and storage for Android Auto and Google Play services. This removes corrupted temporary data. Then go to battery settings and disable optimization for Android Auto so the system won't aggressively kill it. Reset app preferences to restore any accidentally disabled components. Make sure USB file transfer and location permissions are granted, because missing permissions can crash the service when it expects access. You finish by isolating and resolving persistent causes. Uninstall and reinstall Android Auto, then repair your phone to the car. A fresh install often removes stubborn corruption. If the problem continues, boot the phone into safe mode or test with another phone and cable to determine whether the issue is hardware or software. If hardware is ruled out, update your car's infotainment firmware or perform a factory reset on the head unit. If restarts still occur, check the vehicle's USB power supply and contact dealer support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.